If you want to make sense of the world today, you've got to understand data. And that's exactly what we're doing right now, getting you started with one of the most powerful tools for the job, the programming language R. So, first things first, why should you even care? Well, get this. By 2025, the world is expected to be creating 463 exabytes of data every single day. That number is just mind-boggling. It's all the info from social media, your fitness tracker, online shopping, literally everything. Okay, so with that tidal wave of raw information, how on earth do you find the actual story? You know, the important patterns, the real insights hidden in all that noise. Your basic spreadsheet just isn't going to cut it. You need a tool that's built for this. And that's where R comes in. It's one of the absolute best tools out there for this exact challenge. R is a language designed from the ground up for one thing, crunching complex stats and making incredible, easy-to-understand graphs and charts. So why R specifically? Well, for starters, it's totally free. No subscriptions, no fees. Plus, there's a huge community of people out there to help you. It's also a big deal in the industry. I'm talking Google, Amazon, you name it, they're using R. And its ability to create beautiful, professional-looking visuals, second to none. But the real kicker is that it was literally built just for data analysis. It's not a jack of all trades, it's a master of one. All right, so if you're just getting started, there's one thing that trips up almost everyone right away. What's the deal with R versus RStudio? Let's clear that up right now because they really are a dynamic duo. Honestly, the easiest way to get it is like this. R is the language, the raw power. RStudio is the app that makes using that language way, way easier. Let's try an analogy to make this crystal clear. Okay, so imagine a car. R is the engine. It's hidden under the hood, but it's got all the power. It's what's actually doing the work, running the calculations, processing the data, all that heavy lifting. No engine, no car. Simple as that. So if R is the engine, what's RStudio? It's the dashboard. It's the steering wheel, the gas pedal, the GPS, everything you use to actually drive the car. Technically, it's called an IDE, an integrated development environment, but really it's just a great interface that lets you control that powerful R engine, see your results, and keep all your work organized. So let's put it side by side. R is the engine with all the power. RStudio is the dashboard that makes it easy to use. R runs the code, RStudio helps you write the code. And this is super important. You have to install the engine, R, before you can install the dashboard, RStudio. Let me say that again, because it's the most important takeaway here. You need both, and you must install R first. RStudio is amazing, but it's useless without R. Think about it. A dashboard is pretty pointless without an engine to connect it to, right? Okay, enough talk. Let's get this stuff installed. First up, the engine, R. Don't worry, this is super easy. First, you're going to go to the official website, which is called CRAN. Just Google CRAN R and it'll pop right up. Then just find the download link for your computer, whether you're on Windows, a Mac, or Linux. Download the file, run it, and pretty much just click Next through all the default settings. Seriously, it takes like a minute. Now, you might see options for 32-bit or 64-bit and start to panic. Don't. The installer is smart. It knows what kind of computer you have, and it'll pick the right one for you automatically. Easy. Boom, engine installed. Now for the fun part, let's get that shiny new dashboard. RStudio. And this is just as simple. You'll go to the website, posit.co. That's the company that makes RStudio. Look for the download for RStudio Desktop. Make sure you grab the free version, download it, run it, click through the steps, and you're all set. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got the entire core toolkit for professional data analysis sitting right there on your computer. Okay, one last super important tip. From this point forward, you never need to open the R program directly. You will always open RStudio. When you launch RStudio, it automatically finds that R engine we installed and connects to it for you. That gives you that perfect all-in-one workspace. So there you have it. You did it. The engine's in, the dashboard's ready to go. You literally have the exact same setup that data scientists at the biggest companies on the planet are using. So the real question is, what are you going to do with it? What stories are waiting for you in the data?